Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about the long-term chart of International Consolidated Airlines Group, which is listed in the London Stock Exchange. So if you look at the price chart, it's been pretty dismal and the price has been falling since 2018 odd levels. So you can see that the chart is pretty much available from 2012, and the current price is reaching towards its previous lows. So if I just made a reference lines out of this, so long term chart is pretty much convenient when you either want to take a short term look at the chart, or even intermediate or long term, because that will tell you that how the price has been shaped up in the past couple of days, in the past couple of years, and what should be the probable trend in the upcoming time. So if you look at this chart, this is a complete breakdown of a chart, and one should be very much you can say alert or aware about these kind of things, because if the chart breaks like this, it does not matter. If the chart breaks like this, you will see that a big damage which is in the trend. So previous support level was at around 191, and the next upcoming support will be at around this level, 161, and then 138. So this 138 level is nothing but it's 2011 2012 lows. So if it goes below that level, you will see that there will be a bigger problem in the times to come. So you can consider this support level as your lines of marking, so you should not push beyond yourself beyond these levels. Okay, so this is the first thing what you need to understand. If you look at the upper side of the range, so the breakdown has pretty much very severe, and if the price will go up, so the first resistance will come at around 326, then 425, then 627, and its previous high of 734. But the way the price has been falling, and because it's an airline, so we know that how the airline trend or the traveling tourism kind of thing across the globe has been impacted by the health crisis. So you should be very much aware and know about your risk, rather than just hopping around and saying that the chart has been the price has fallen down so much. But the main problem is, technically, if you look at the chart is very weak, and you should know and respect the support levels. So don't simply go and jump into buying this kind of stocks. Okay, let it be settled, let it be some policy direction or some directions which will be coming by the company side or from the regulator side of that particular country, and then take actions accordingly. Don't simply jump right now. So this is pretty much it about the chart, and if you like this video, do like and share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.